Hi guys, welcome. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Today is Vlogtober day 16. Like I said before, I know I'm behind time, but I'll make it up this weekend, alright? And if you're new to my channel, I would like you guys to know that every day in October I will be uploading a video, so you guys should come back every day and you see a delicious recipe from me. Alright, well, today's recipe is a Diwali recipe, a Diwali sweets. Today we're gonna be making Guyanese sweet rice. In Guyana we call it sweet rice, but in other countries they might call it rice pudding or so, but in Guyana we call it sweet rice. All right, and we normally would make that around Diwali time. That is one of the Diwali dishes. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make this delicious sweet rice, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up. Yes, give the video a thumbs up, and if you're new, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make this delicious rice. So let me just show you my ingredients and come back tomorrow and every other day as well, because tomorrow I might be making my vermicelli and my parasad, and I have to make my mithai. So come back every day for a Diwali sweets. All right, enjoy. Let me just show you my ingredients. Okay guys, so today we're gonna be making some sweet rice. First we have some white sugar here, we have evaporated milk, condensed milk, we also have 2 cup full cream milk, we have our cup of rice, we have our cinnamon and clove, and at the bottom here we have our raisin, nutmeg, a little essence, and some cherries. All right, so let's get started. So in here I have 1 cup of water, so I'm gonna put in my rice. All right, and let this boil. Also I'm gonna put in my clove, my cinnamon, and my 6 clove, and some nutmeg. All right, it's gonna give it a great flavor, and you're gonna mix it up. All right, and let it boil for about probably about 10 minutes. So we'll be back. Okay, so my rice has been boiling for about 10 minutes. You see it here. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna pour in your milk. Your 2.5 cup of milk. You're gonna pour it in and let it continue to boil, because the rice is still not finished cooking. It's still a little hard. All right, so you're gonna let this boil for probably another 10 minutes again. All right, so we'll be back. I'm just gonna put my essence inside one time and just stir it up and let it boil for the 10 minutes. All right, we'll be back. Okay, so my rice has been boiling for 10 more minutes in the milk. All right, let me see if the rice is soft enough. It's soft. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna sweeten it, right? I'm gonna use 1/2 tin of condensed milk, just 1/2 tin, because I'm using the other half for my vermicelli. Your girl on a budget right now. All right, so I'm gonna mix it up, and if it's not sweet enough, then I'm gonna put in some white sugar. All right, so let me taste it. It's sweet. I'm just gonna put a little bit white sugar. All right, but if you guys want, you can use the whole tin. So it's just that I already buy my stuff for my Diwali, and I'm not buying any more things. Alright, like I said, I'm on a budget. So you're gonna mix this up. Let me taste it now. Yes, it's sweet enough. So you're gonna do now, you're gonna put in your raisin. This is optional, and your cherry. All right, put in your raisin and your cherry, and I'm gonna put in a little bit of more of my evaporated milk, like quarter tin. All right, and let this boil for maybe another 5 to 10 minutes, and it's all done. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so my sweet rice is done here. It's all done, and when it cool off, it's gonna get more thicker. So don't boil it till it get thick, because when it cool down, it's gonna get thick, right? So this is the right consistency here. So I'm going to put it into my cup and let you guys see the end results. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the end results from my Guyanese sweet rice. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Alright, I think today is Vlogtober day 16, so it's like I'm 3 days behind. Okay, don't worry, I'll make it up this weekend. So you guys should follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, and thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Alright, and take care. Bye.